want to.
Right, so this is a picture of Maastricht during winter. Although it looks quite beautiful, during winter, Maastricht, like most cities in Europe, can encounter very cold temperature, even negative temperatures. So that's why buildings, including Maastricht universities, provide such a thing as a heating system that can warm up the room. So indeed, studying or writing papers would not be that enjoyable if your brain or fingers are frozen. So yeah, I'm a little bit exaggerating here, but I mean, studying when you're cold or sick or shivering is not that cool. So how does it work? Well, you have your water, and it goes to a tank, which is called a boiler, and it's warmed up there, or changed into steam, both ways. And this hot water or steam goes through a network of pipes and finally arrives in what we call a radiator. So the radiator is one of the most important parts of the heating system. It is a heat exchanger and serves as a transfer of thermal energy. So your hot water or steam just heat up the radiator and it transfers to the room. Another important part of the heating system is what we call the thermostat. So it is a little device that you can see with the degrees and the knob that you can adjust, and it will regulate and control the overall heat in all the rooms together in the rooms connected to this heating system. So maybe now we should talk a little bit about the cost. So for example, a 4-month heating cost regarding an office of about 10 people is $1,600. So just imagine what does this cost climb to when it comes to such a big building as Maastricht University. So some of these costs are necessary because it would be unethical not to provide the heating in a classroom. But the problem here is that we waste money by overheating the room when it's not necessary. Seriously, how many times didn't you get into a classroom during winter and it was hot as hell and you had to open the window, so you waste energy and money. So one solution here is to install a regulating knob on each radiator in each room that you can control, and you can then adjust the temperature, which could be not as high as the by default temperature set by Maastricht University. The problem here is that it costs some money to install such a working knob. Another solution is to simply, and it's free, decrease the temperature on the thermostat for all the room in Maastricht University, because we don't need to sweat like pigs when we enter a classroom. It's not good for the health either, because like you come from the cold, very cold outside, and then you enter the room and it's very hot. So the first solution is not very, it's flexible, but it costs some money. The second solution is just free and simple. You just turn down the thermostat of the whole university because you don't need that much temperature in the classroom. So thank you for your attention.